Hey there, gamers and tech lovers. Welcome back to Drop Tech, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into a true gaming powerhouse, the ASUS ROG Phone 9 Ultra. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a whole new gaming experience. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive pro, this device is here to take your gaming sessions to another level. Stick with me, because we're unpacking everything you need to know about this beast. Let's start with the unboxing experience. ASUS nailed it with this futuristic box design. It feels like you're unlocking a vault of gaming secrets. Inside, you'll find the phone itself, a powerful 65W HyperCharge adapter, a high-quality braided USB-C cable, and, of course, the iconic Aero Active Cooler 9. Everything here screams premium. Take a look at the ROG Phone 9 Ultra. With its cyberpunk-inspired design and that RGB-lit ROG logo, it's impossible not to be impressed. It looks like it's ready to dominate your gaming sessions right out of the box. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute monster. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 18 GB of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage, it handles everything you throw at it like a pro. Whether you're gaming in ultra-high settings or running multiple apps, lag simply isn't in its vocabulary. And here's where it gets even better, the GameCool 9 system. With its innovative triple-layer cooling setup and the attachable Aero Active Cooler 9, this phone stays cool even during marathon gaming sessions. Cut to the host holding the phone while gameplay footage runs. And that 165Hz AMOLED display with HDR10+ support? It delivers visuals so smooth and vivid, it feels like your games are leaping off the screen. Alright, let's talk about the gaming-centric features. The AirTrigger 9 system is nothing short of revolutionary. It uses ultrasonic touch sensors to give you precise controls, perfect for pulling off those tricky combos or quick maneuvers in competitive games. And let's not forget X-Mode Ultra. This feature pushes the hardware to peak performance, giving you a flawless gaming experience. Add to that the dual front-facing speakers, and you've got an immersive soundstage that brings every explosion, footstep, and dialogue to life. When it comes to endurance, the 6000 mAh dual-cell battery is built to last. And with the 65W HyperCharge, you can juice up from 0 to 70% in just half an hour. That's practically no downtime. The software is another highlight. Running on ROG UI based on Android 14, it's packed with customizations for gamers. The Armory Crate gives you full control, letting you tweak performance modes, lighting effects, and so much more. It's a gamer's paradise. Host recapping key points while holding the phone on display. So, who should get the ROG Phone 9 Ultra? If you're a serious gamer, a tech enthusiast, or someone who wants a phone that goes beyond the usual, this is your dream device. It's not just about specs, it's about redefining what a gaming phone can do. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join us here at Drop Tech for more deep dives into the latest gadgets and tech updates. Host standing with the phone as the background fades into dynamic visuals. The ASUS ROG Phone 9 Ultra is more than just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece designed for gamers. From its incredible performance and immersive gaming features to its durable battery and gamer-friendly software, this phone truly has it all. Let me know in the comments, what feature stands out the most to you? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.